Hi, welcome back. Today we have a fluid yoga class. We are going to move and flow and let the breath guide us. When you are ready, we'll start off on our backs. Make your way into a comfortable position on your back. Bring your knees in close to your chest. Wrap your hands around the legs and gently sway from side to side. You may close your eyes here. Maybe you start noticing your natural breath. The rhythm of each inhale and exhale. Use this time to also set your intention for class. Do whatever you need to do to make this class a bit more present for you. Take an inhale, exhale, drop the knees to one side of your mat, extend the hands out, slowly bring the fingers to earth. Come back to center, inhale again, exhale, release. Drop the knees to one side of your mat, the opposite side. Left hand comes up, inhale, exhale, fingers to earth. Come back to center. Inhale, exhale. Feel free to take any additional movements that you're needing right now before we start flowing. Maybe that's happy baby. Maybe you take a bridge pose. Listen to your body and give your body what it's needing. And maybe you start to extend the right leg out, bringing the left leg in, alternating the two. Inhale and exhale. Inhale again and exhale. Come back to center. Drop the hands to one side of your mat. Use your hands to help you come into a tabletop. Inhale, dip the belly, arch your back. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale again, dip the belly. Exhale, round. One more time, inhale and exhale. Lift the knees off the mat. Hips up and back. We'll meet in our first down dog. Push the ground away, inhale. Exhale. Inhale again. Exhale. Bringing the chest in closer towards the thigh. Start to ripple the body, coming into a plank. Drop the knees, keeping the knees lifted slightly off your mat, hips up and back. Let's do that a couple more times. Rolling through, our down dog, and our plank. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Gently place that right foot in between both hands. Hands up, inhale. Exhale, hands to the heart. Release the hands. Left leg comes back. Right leg comes back. Lower all the way down. Chaturanga, up dog. And back to our down dog. Left leg comes up, inhale. Exhale, gently place that left foot in between both hands. Hands up, inhale. Exhale. Lower into your chaturanga. And then up dog. Back to down dog. Inhale. Exhale. Right leg comes up. Put a bend at the knee and slowly drop the foot behind you, making your way into wall-thing. Come back to center. Right leg extends up. Place the right foot next to your left hand. Lower the back knee. Inhale. Exhale. Maybe come into your elbows or continue to stay on the hands. Use your hands to help you lift back up. Swing the right leg back, lower. Chaturanga. Up dog. Back to down dog. Left leg comes up this time. Bend the knee and slowly drop that left leg behind you. Extend the hands up, making your way into wild thing. Slowly come back up. Left leg comes up. And place that left foot beside the left hand. You may stay here or drop the back knee or even come into the elbows. Use your hands to help you come back up. And slowly start to make a half a circle with your hands, meeting your hands with your at the right foot. Again, half circle to the left, half circle to the right. A couple more times. Let your breath take you where you need to go. Come back to center. Inhale. Exhale. Place the head on your mat or wherever the head meets. We may stay here, or maybe you come into your tippy toes and stay here. Or if it's in your practice, slowly start to lift the toes off the mat, coming into a headstand or tripod headstand. And slowly lower all the way down. Rotate the body over to the end of your mat, the opposite end. Right leg swings back. Inhale. Exhale. Chaturanga.
Up dog, and then down dog. Step, jump, or walk to your hands. Grab the opposite end of your elbow and sway the body from side to side. Release the hands and slowly make your way on up. Your chin should be the last thing to come up, moving one vertebrae at a time.
Hands up overhead. Inhale. Exhale, baby back bend. Inhale again. Exhale, fold.
Left leg comes back, and then the right. Lower
Your chaturanga.
then your down dog. Drop the knees. Bring the hips back. Child's pose. Lift your head up. We'll meet in a seated position.
Take an inhale. Exhale, left ear to left shoulder. Inhale again. Exhale, right ear to right shoulder. Repeat that again. Inhale. Exhale, right ear, left ear to left shoulder. And the opposite side. Clasp your hands together, extend them out in front of you. Inhale. Bring them up over your head. Exhale, side stretch to the right. Back to center, side stretch to the left. Back to center, release. Hands to the heart. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I'll see you in the next class. Ashe.